This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Christopher Hall. Breathtaking renovation with this lovely furnished home. Master on main and 2 beds up and 1 down. This home offers many upgrades with modern finishes. Open concept for entertaining your guest. Lower level has a family room and laundry and bedroom. Covered porch and huge back deck with seasonal mountain views. You can play a round or 2 of golf, tour the local wineries, picnic on a pontoon while taking in some fresh mountain air. Come and enjoy the beautiful hikes and nature that Big Canoe has to offer. Located in the beautiful North Georgia mountains, easily accessed by car. For more information, review the details below or contact Christopher Hall at 706-276-1254.